If you have been looking for authentic Ghanaian recipes, purees for your babies, you have come to the right place. And hi, this is Taste and Bloom, and today I'll be sharing with you ripe plantain and garden eggs Abom puree. If you are as excited as I am, then let's get cooking. For our ingredients, we are going to need some ripe plantain, some garden eggs, an egg, a handful of turkey berries, some palm oil, peanut butter or groundnut paste, some tomatoes and onions which I have chopped up already. So in place of the garden eggs, of course you can use aubergine, and I've cut it up like this because I want it to cook a bit faster than usual. So I'll start by putting my garden eggs and the egg together with my turkey berries into a saucepan and then add some water and bring to a boil. Once it begins to boil over, I'll add in my ripe plantain, which I washed before chopping up, of course, and then I'll allow it to simmer. Then I'll go ahead and add in my tomatoes and onions, which I have chopped, and let it sort of like steam a bit just to soften it up before I blend. At this point, I'll take out my garden eggs, and you should add your egg as well. I forgot to do that, and then I went ahead to add my palm oil. Then I remembered I had to take it out, okay? So here I've peeled my cooked garden eggs and deseeded them. And then I've also peeled my egg, ready to be added to the rest of my ingredients in my pot for blending. So I'll go ahead and then add my peanut butter to all the ingredients in my saucepan. Of course, you can transfer it straight into the blender, but it's a matter of choice. Then I went ahead to add in my garden eggs and my egg and then headed for the blender. So after everything was done, this is our final product. I hope you try this authentic Ghanaian recipe for your little bloomers. I bet you they would enjoy it. I hope you've enjoyed this video like I enjoyed making it. And until we meet again, do not forget to keep the family growing by subscribing, commenting down below, sharing this recipe and giving me a thumbs up so I'm encouraged to do more. Until then, keep blooming.